they are speaking.
What they are speaking.
Like today,
But today,
I'm speaking
I'm speaking
a lot of things.
a lot of things.
But I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen,
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन,
बर्बादी गुलिस्तां करने को
बर्बादी गुलिस्ता करने को
बस एक ही उल्लू काफी था।
बस एक ही उल्लू काफी था।
अरे हर साख पे उल्लू बैठा है।
अरे हर शाख पे उल्लू बैठा है।
अंजाम गुलिस्तां क्या होगा?
अंजाम गुलिस्ता।
Other meaning. My heart is. Your heart? What happened to your heart? Can I listen?
Speedy right now.
Or it's generator now. Why?
So, again, through experience itself, how you will be dealing, it is all about connecting with the things externally.
But, my goodness, are they focusing on real education? No!
Okay.
मजा आ जाएगी सुनने में. Yes.
Lot of students are getting education, but are they really being educated? No.
No को थोड़ा पीछे बढ़ा लीजिए. No!
No.
अब excuse me.
You don't have content. Think something. Okay. You can become व्यापारी.
Vyapari.
Of course.
Yes.
Be
you
confident.
You can register file with them.
Yes.
You can do case.
You can do case against Sasurji
Yes, you can do case against Sasuji
and Sasuma
and Sasuma also.
because of
Because
confidence.
of confidence, lack of confidence, you cannot do anything, and one day you will die by them. That's
ऐसे बोलना है.
okay, sir.
पक्का?
Yes.
नेक्स्ट टाइम से ऐसे बोलना है, ठीक है?
Yes.
प्रॉमिस करिए.
Promise.
ऐसे बोलिए. यस प्रॉमिस.
Yes, promise.
यस प्रॉमिस.
Promise.
Please sit down. We have so many topics here. You are going to come the stage and you are going to have one chit, and according to this topic you are going to speak here before the people. And let me tell you guys one of the most important things, guys. Whenever you have to speak anywhere, I mean kind of extempore speech or extempore public speaking, maybe somewhere you can be invited, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Karunans. So if maybe Karunans will think, oh my God, what can I speak, what can I speak? Imagine that he takes one topic, the topic is all about intelligence. He should not start the topic on the spot. He should manipulate the things to think some of the things to speak something. Excuse me, come on. Like you'll get a topic, don't start on the spot. Put the topic somewhere else, address people, saying something else, I mean by talking something else, and then gradually come to the topic. As I mean, guys, the topic is intelligent. I'm going to speak about intelligence. Intelligence is very important. Now, don't come on the topic on the spot. Gratitude रखो. लोगों को बताओ किस लिए खड़ा हूँ मैं आज यहाँ पे आपके सामने नहीं. उसके बाद फिर टॉपिक पाओ और ये करते करते सोचो कि मुझे बोलना क्या है.
Sit. अब excuse me.
It is something like that. Wow. Acha, you are generating your rhetorical here.
Yes, sir. I am going to talk about. Before talking about, I would like to thank Mr. Cap, sir, to giving me this wonderful opportunity. Having me this wonderful opportunity. So good morning.
एक मिनट रुक सुनो हर शब्द को किस करो. I want to thank Cap sir for having me this opportunity. लगे कि yes जबरदस्त चूमो सारे शब्दों को. Come back. Yes. I want to thank.
So thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity. So
I'm here today before you all.
I am here today before you all.
It means a lot for me.
It is a lot for me.
It means a lot for me.
It means a lot for me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Today I am going to talk about.
Yes.
So
I'm here today before you all
I am here today before you all.
It means a lot for me.
It is a lot for me.
It means a lot for me.
It means a lot for me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Today I am going to talk about
Yes.
topic.
Excuse me. Do you want to know that?
Do you know that? Yes. You know that already. No, I don't know. It is very interested topic.
It's a very interesting topic.
It is very interested topic.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Before some time.
Before some time.
Before some time, Kevsar has taught us.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So, I am going to tell the topic is that.
Do you know? जगाओ ये बिजी हो रही थी.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, do you want to know that? Do you want to listen the topic?
Do you listen the topic?
Do you want to?
Do you want to listen the topic?
Yes, I want.
So today the topic is that the importance of communication. So I am going to talk about communication. What actually is communication? Excuse me, ma'am. You know that the wisdom when we use in communication in terms of the communication when we talk about the something, ladies and gentlemen.
हाँ ठीक है.
So, when we talk about in terms of communication, wisdom, so
You don't have content.
I
Think
have-
something.
Okay.
Think something. Right? Yeah.
be serious, everybody. So, communication is most important. Everybody knows that. The communication is most important because when we go in the thana,
When we go in Thana
when we go in thana,
because of Chabana.
what is that? Sir? When we go in thana and when in front of you one officer is sit there,
One officer is sitting there.
one officer is sitting there,
You become begana.
you become a
Begana.
begana.
Exactly,
When
because
you
of-
don't know how to talk with the same energy and with the confidence and superiority complex when you
Exactly.
yes
yeah.
sir, exactly. So you should talk like this and
Why laughing?
so this topic is all about
एक कहावत है कि एंड एम्प्टी वेसल साउंड्स मच. आप ट्राई बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, बोल भी बहुत अच्छा रहे हो, लेकिन थॉट नहीं आ रही है. देखो, विजडम इज ऑल अबाउट विवेक.
yes sir.
So I want to explain about psyche first of all, everybody.
I want to explain the psyche, ladies and gentlemen. So
अच्छी कोशिश किया पर कंटेंट की कमी. Do you understand? सस्पेंस थोड़ा पैदा करिए.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you all? What if we have the answer of every question and how we can get through the education? Today itself we are going to talk about the education. It is not generally connected with the degree and the diploma. It can be gained through experience itself. How you will be dealing, it is all about connecting with the things externally. You might have seen lot of people in front of you having degree but not doing extraordinary in their thing. How they are getting the popularity. If we are having the degree, will we only call the educated? Will be called the educated? No, it is not the education. Education. Ji sir.
Why are you, scared? You have glossophobia, don't be. It's a graph. You are going well, but with a proper modulation and expression, right? आवाज में थोड़ा सा
आवाज में क्या करना है?
उतार चढ़ाव. Rhetorical, जगाइए थोड़ा सा इन लोग को.
अच्छा.
Yes.
It is not called the education.
हाँ.
It is not called the education. When we see people are getting the education in schools and colleges, but why they are facing?
हाँ बहुत अच्छे. I'm sorry to intervene you
Yeah,
because
नहीं,
I'm
sir,
training
बिल्कुल.
you, right? But जो आया है ना इसमें आप खींचे थोड़ा सा. But.
But.
हाँ, क्योंकि आप यही तो जगा रहे हो जनता को, right? So many teachers are teaching in their schools. But, my goodness, are they focusing on real education? No!
Okay.
मजा आ जाएगी सुनने में. Yes.
Lot of students are getting education, but are they really being educated? No.
No को थोड़ा पीछे बढ़ा लीजिए. No.
No.
Yes. हाँ सही है. No.
No.
Yes. Go ahead.
So what's students, not only the student, what aspirants are lacking? What's the problem?
Yeah, बहुत अच्छे. Yes. What's the problem?
What's the problem? We get broad-based education in the school. All the subjects we learn in the context of Hindi, English, lot of subjects. Why we are not being made expertise in our subject? Why we are not being the things which help us to grow? Why we face problems to deal with the situation? Why we are not becoming resilient? Why people don't deal with the problems easily? Earlier, if I talk about ancient education with the modern education, lot of changes can be seen. Earlier education was all about to make you something. Today's education is all about to make you expertise, to make you proficient in your area. But that is not helping you because humility is not being taught. What you want only position, you want only monetary terms. Your success is totally connected with monetary terms. What you want position, you want money, you want to spend luxurious life. That is not all about education.
That is not about education.
That
हाँ, थोड़ा सा आवाज कम करिए. जब भी सैडनेस वाली बातें हैं, शर्म वाली बातें हैं, बहुत ज्यादा थुतकारने वाली बातें हैं, थोड़ा सा आवाज दबा दी जाती है. That is not the education, guys.
that is
हाँ, बोलते that is not the education.
that is
But the education, हाँ,
but
पहली बोली, that is not the education.
that is not the education. सर पढ़ाते आवाज तेज हो गई है.
नहीं, थोड़ा हल्का करिए इसको.
That
सांस से बोली, सांस से, जैसे रात में बात करते हैं ना. अरे what happened? ये लोग ओ प्यारी समझ गई, कुछ और समझ गए ये लोग. जैसे सब लोग सो रहे होते हैं, बोलते हैं ना कि बाद में फोन करते हैं. हाँ, he is very experienced. I want to say that. आवाज ना आ रही पाए. हाँ. I want to say that.
I wanna say
Why this voice? देखो, जब भी पेनफुल बातें करेंगे, शर्मनाक बातें करेंगे, तो हमें ब्रीदिंग से बात करनी होती है. ब्रीदिंग से. हाँ. पहले करिए. हाँ, ये आवाज है ना. That is not education. That is not education. हाँ, बोल दीजिए जो भी निकल रहा है.
that is not education.
चलो ठीक है, सांस में थोड़ा पतली आवाज से बोल दीजिए. That is not education.
That is not education.
Yeah,
That is
continue.
not education.
Continue.
So education is all about to educate not only you but everyone around you.
अब हाई पिच कर लीजिए.
Around you.
Yeah.
So that is actually the meaning of education.
Yes.
Thank you.
थैंक यू बहुत प्यार से बोलना होगा,
अच्छा,
वही पतली आवाज में. Thank you so much.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so
You
much.
have been a great audience of the day.
You have been a great audience.
And of course,
And of course,
I will come back
I'll come back
tomorrow,
tomorrow.
speaking better than today.
Speaking better than today.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Sit down. Very nice, beautiful job.
When people speaking,
When people speak यहाँ से थोड़ी है. When people speak,
when people speak,
when people speak,
when people speak.
Hmm.
Sir, how to move? Relax.
It's fine, but don't move a lot. When people speak,
When people speak,
they need to understand
they need to understand
what they are speaking.
what they are speaking.
Like today,
But today,
I'm speaking
I'm speaking
a lot of things,
a lot of things.
but I don't know.
But I don't know. I don't know who's calling to you.
This is what distraction.
This is what distraction.
Sometimes.
Sometimes
In your life,
in your life,
people will come,
people will come
play
and
the music,
play the music.
and you will be like, wow,
Like, wow.
ये नहीं किए हैं हम. Right. So, in
So-
communication,
So in communication,
sometimes
sometimes
you need to play music.
you need to play music.
Music
Music
by voice,
by voice,
by voice,
by voice,
by sweet words.
by sweet words.
Just before some time,
Before some time,
somebody played music,
somebody played music.
and everybody was like, "Hey."
Everybody was like, hey.
So,
So
when you talk to people,
when you talk to people,
sometimes
sometimes
you need to talk beautifully,
it's not. You
You
need,
need to
to talk,
talk.
beautifully
so that
so that
people can be like, "Hey." Huh? People can be like, "Hey."
people like
People can be like, "Hey."
people can be like, hey.
So,
So
you have
you have
your sweet words.
you have your sweet words.
Use it
Use it
intentionally,
intentionally,
knowingly,
knowingly,
lovingly,
lovingly,
politely.
politely.
So, my topic was all about
my topic was all about
speaking,
speaking,
speaking, what to speak,
what to speak,
why to speak,
why to speak,
how to speak.
how to speak.
So,
So,
build your great communication.
with your great communication.
Yes, ठीक है. अब थोड़ा सा अपनी बातें कुछ रखिए, कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेटेड हो, थोड़ा बॉडी लैंग्वेज के साथ हो, एकदम फ्री करो खुद को. चलो, हाँ, you can do it. Please cooperate. हाँ.
You know, guys, while we are speaking now, we hesitating a lot. We are hesitating a lot in a publicly. But we are when we are trying again and again, we get success to speak. When you are in a school, you feel like you are hesitating in the front of the teachers.
Body language.
In the front of the teachers. When you grow up, you educate yourself, you meet the different type of peoples, you get the confidence, you build up your confidence. Now gradually you increase your communication to meet the other types of peoples. You can also go the foreign to increase your communication, how to speak, and make the people handshake with him and get your confidence increased and understand the people, what they are thinking about you. It doesn't matter, it matters more how to speak and how do you treat the people in your own way. And thank you so much, people. You are a great audience of the day.
Very nice. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
बर्बादी गुलिस्तां करने को
बर्बादी गुलिस्ता करने को
बस एक ही उल्लू काफी था.
बस एक ही उल्लू काफी था.
बर्बादी गुलिस्तां करने को
बर्बादी गुलिस्ता करने को
बस एक ही उल्लू काफी था.
बस एक ही उल्लू काफी था.
अरे हर साख पे उल्लू बैठा है.
अरे हर शाख पे उल्लू बैठा है.
अंजाम गुलिस्तां क्या होगा?
अंजाम गुलिस्ता क्या होगा?
अंजाम गुलिस्तां क्या
अंजाम
होगा?
गुलिस्ता क्या होगा?
गुड मॉर्निंग लेडीज एंड
Good
जेंटलमैन.
morning, ladies and gentlemen.
अब आइए अपना. अब एक्सक्यूज मी, खुल जा सिम. तखड़ा बखड़ा. हाँ, एक्सक्यूज मी. वाओ, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल. एटीट्यूड लाइए थोड़ा सा.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My brothers and sisters, how are you all?
Fantastic.
Your presence is my presence. Your happiness is my happiness.
Oh, excuse me.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
or ladies and gentlemen,
if you want to build your own attitude
if you wanna build your aptitude
and you want more gratitudes,
and
you want gratitude,
you want gratitude,
so first build your aptitude.
so first build your aptitude.
And of course,
And of course,
you can touch the altitude.
you can touch the altitude.
यहाँ की देखो, ऊपर देखो.
You
And you can
can-
touch
You can touch up the
the
altitude.
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 But today
But today
and now,
and now
you have to
you have to
develop
develop
your aptitude.
your aptitude.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
So, ladies and gentlemen,
build your aptitude.
build your aptitude.
If you want to touch the altitude.
If you want to touch the aptitude, altitude,
Altitude, you know altitude?
no,
Uchai.
Uchai, okay.
Yes. Do you want to touch the altitude?
Do you want to touch the altitude?
So, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am.
Do you want to touch the altitude? So first you have to build your aptitude.
Oh!
So ladies and gentlemen,
You have-
first of all, we have to focus on our aptitude. After we will touch the
altitude.
altitude,
And people will pay you gratitude.
and people will give you gratitude
Because of your attitude.
because of your attitude,
And you will come on YouTube.
and you will come on YouTube.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You have been a great.
You have been great audience of the day. I will come again.
दिल पे हाथ, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
वहाँ फेफड़ा है. वहाँ फेफड़ा है. Yes, दिल वहीं है. Thank you from the core of my heart.
Thank you from the core of my heart.
Yes. जब भी दिल पे हाथ रखे एक हाथ पीछे चला जाता है. Right. Thank you from the core of my heart.
Thank you from the core of my heart.
फिर फेफड़े पे गया. You have been a great audience of the day.
You have been a
अब
great.
वहाँ इंटेस्टाइन है. यहाँ देख लो, यहाँ आ गए.
You have been a.
इंटेस्टाइन कहाँ पेट तुम्हारा? यहीं तक है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो यही है. चलो जहाँ भी हो, राइट.
You have been. You have been. A,
अब तो इंटेस्टाइन है यार. अब तो इंटेस्टाइन है. हाँ.
you have been a great audience of the day.
I'll come back.
I will come back.
Yep. I'll come back
I'll come back
with my wife. What happened? With my wife. Wife.
with my wives. With my wives.
Yes.
Wives. Okay.
Yes. Because I have so many wives.
Because I have so many wives.
अरे ये.
No, sir, wives.
हाँ ये. Wives.
No, sir. Yeah.
अच्छा, you want this one? Right? बोलो, I have so many wives.
I have so many wives.
बोलो this one.
This one.
I have so many wives.
I have so many wives.
And I have this.
I have this.
And I have this also.
No, sir. I have this.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
So we will
See you tomorrow.
see you tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Masti. All right, the next person, everybody, come on. Who wants to come on the stage? Come on, hurry up. I'm here to tell you that we are. ये कौन सी स्पीकिंग है? ये कौन सी स्पीच है? Just sir, let me expose myself. इसको I'll try. So, just I'm awaking you. अरे audience. Hey guys, ये भी सुनो पहले. रेटोरिकल में अवेक तब करेंगे जब जनता सो रही हो. जनता ऑलरेडी जगी हुई है, इसमें रेटोरिकल. सोए हुए इंसान को सुला रहा है.
So now we come on topic.
So
We came here.
Excuse me, yes.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, सबसे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. अरे भाई, बोलो excuse me.
Hello. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me बोलो.
No. Excuse me. Hello. Excuse me.
क्यों बोल रहे हो excuse me?
Just she's laughing. That's why.
अच्छा, ठीक है, continue.
Good afternoon.
Good
My
afternoon.
name is Muhammad Umar,
Oh.
and I am from Bihar and Delhi, both.
What?
Yes, sir.
Are you too? अच्छा अच्छा, half you were born in Bihar. Complete you were born in
No, sir. I was born in Bihar, but my heart right now lives in Delhi.
Who?
Heart.
Guys, I'm from London. My heart is in London. I'm from London. अरे मेरे भाई, are you from Qatar?
Sir, actually,
Where मेरे भाई, where are you from?
I'm from both states
So if your heart is in Delhi, you are from Delhi.
because I am missing many things, which I got in Delhi, especially food. So that's why, and my half family
Huh?
are registered in Delhi voter list.
Okay, that's why you're from there. So say na,
Yes.
कि I am residing there. That's why I'm from Delhi. My heart is there. It has other meaning. Exactly. From where will you get married? Yeah, that's other topic. Please continue.
I shall not talk about marrying.
Yeah.
So, we are here to learn something. That's why we all came here from different places. So, no, don't judge me.
क्या जी? अब क्यों हंस रहे हो? हाँ. Be serious. अब सीरियस हो जाइए, बहुत हो गया, ज़्यादा नहीं हंसते हैं. अच्छा, आपकी स्पीच हिलेरियस है क्या?
Just sir, I want to try different, which will be memorable.
It has become memorable now. It has become. We will never forget this moment.
I want to expose myself.
You want to expose yourself. You want to express or you want to expose? Expose has other
No,
meaning.
my heart is
Your heart? What happened to your heart? Can I listen?
speedy right now.
Or it's generator now. Why?
So,
Bhai, ab bas
let
karo.
me tell you something.
Why I am here?
Why we all are here? Because of Mr. Cap sir.
Cap?
Mr. Cap sir.
Cap?
K-A-I-F. Cap sir.
Cap.
Cap.
Huh.
Cap sir.
Huh. So
So now, let me tell you something about Mr. Cap sir. Because we are from different places, but we are here right now in Lucknow because of Mr. Cap sir. Before coming here, I lived in Delhi, but
you lived or your heart lived?
both.
Both. Achha, both lived, okay?
Both. So, we should go more western, but we came, especially I came back in east because of Mr. Cap sir and speaking
Yeah,
classes.
speaking.
Spoken.
Spoken nahi. Speaking.
speaking classes.
Speaking.
Speaking classes because I searched a lot of institution of English, but I didn't get such a institute.
आए है मर जावा.
Especially,
क्या सा
I'm
PSLE?
not रुकिए.
Especially.
Especially,
हाँ.
especially, and I'm not
Exaggerate.
joking,
I'm not
but
joking.
I am really saying from my heart,
पर वहाँ पे पड़ा है, यहाँ ये.
from my heart. And sir, believe me,
No, tell people, ladies and gentlemen,
Believe-
me.
now one more sentence for you, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है.
So I tried many places, not for 1 month, 2 months, but I was searching.
I had been searching.
I had been searching since 2024. So first time I watched some videos on YouTube. So I watched Mr. Cap sir in YouTube. So that's why I decided I will go there. And finally I came here. So now let me tell you something about the topic of today.
अब अभी यही है
So excuse me. 7 crore.
Yeah.
Now I am going to talk about confidence.
Yes.
Do you know confidence?
Yes.
Confidence is very important thing in our life.
Yes.
If we don't have confidence,
हाँ.
can we talk someone?
Yes, guys. That's why.
Yes, guys.
हाँ, जरूरी नहीं कि आप यही मारे हम कर दिए. हाँ, आप ऐसे कर दिए. Yes, guys.
Yes. Yes, guys.
Yes, guys.
Yes, guys.
That's why.
That's why we need confidence.
Yes.
If we have confidence, we can talk easily someone.
Yes.
Yes. And
हाँ, बोलिए.
if we have confidence, we can gain more knowledge. We can learn more things.
Exactly.
And confidence, if you have confidence, you can ask question with your sir from
Directly you can ask.
directly you can ask.
Yeah.
If you don't have confidence, you cannot ask with the sir, sir, what is this and how can I not understand, please tell me, please tell me once again and please explain me in another way. So you need confidence.
Yes.
If you don't have confidence, you cannot say to sir and
Exactly. Many people.
yes, many
And guys
people.
in home.
And guys in home,
Sometime
sometime
husband dominates.
husband dominates.
My God, family members taunt.
My God, family members don't,
But we are not able to raise voice against them.
but we are not able to raise voice against them.
Because
Because
we become लाचारी.
We become lachar.
हर जगह से हारी.
हर जगह से
हर जगह से मारी.
हर जगह से मारी.
So,
So,
if you are confident,
if you are confident,
you can become
you can become
vyapari.
vyapari.
Of course.
Yes.
Be
you
confident.
You can register file with them.
Yes.
You can do case.
You can do case against Sasurji
Yes, you can do case against Sasurji
and Sasuma
and Sasuma also.
because of
Because
confidence.
of confidence, lack of confidence, you cannot do anything and one day you will die by them. That's
ऐसे बोलना है.
okay, sir.
पक्का?
Yes,
नेक्स्ट टाइम से ऐसे बोलना है, ठीक है?
Yes.
प्रॉमिस करिए.
promise.
ऐसे बोलिए, यस प्रॉमिस.
Yes, promise.
यस प्रॉमिस.
Promise.
प्लीज सिट डाउन. आप भी